Good morning, student. My name is Anand Vijay. Today I have discussed in this video lecture about the binary division. What is binary division? Student, binary division is the simple kind of division process. We just divide a one number by another number. But here in this division process only 0 and 1 digit are involved. Another digit are not allowed here. So binary division process is based on only two digit 1 and 0. Okay, the rules for the binary division process is here. If 1 divided by 1, the output is 1. If 1 divided by 0, it could not be possible. We cannot perform the division operation by 0 any value, so it generates the error. If suppose the value is 0 and we divide by 1, the output is 0. Here is the example. It is the simple division process example. In the first we have find out 110, that is the binary format number, and again we divide it 10, that is also the binary format because the base is carry on. 110 is divided by 10. So first time it can be performed division process because the first digit is 11 and here the divisible is 10. So it perform the subtraction operation here. 0 is subtracted from 1, the output is 1, and 1 minus 1, here the output is 0. Again 0 will carry on further. The next value is 10 and once time it is fully divided. 10 divided by 10, the output is 0. In the next example you have find out the value is 10010 and we divide through 11. In the first time we perform the division operation. You have find out here the value which I want to divide, that is 11, and here the first two digit is 10. As it is possible 10 is divisible by 11? No. So we give the according to division rule 0 here. Again we have carry on the next digit. Now the division process is going on between 100. In 100 the 11 is performed the division. So once time is performed the division, 11 is subtracted. Student, you follow the simple binary subtraction rule here. In the subtraction rule 1 is not subtracted from the 0. So it take the borrow process. It take the borrow directly from the ones, but its borrow is coming through this portion. This 1 again 1. So 1 0 10, 10 minus 1, the output is 1. Here it is 1. Now it is 1. It is 1. 1 minus 1, that is cross mark because 0. And since this number is given the borrow, obviously it is converted into the 0 format. Again student, we obtain the next digit. The remainder is 1 here and obtain the next digit. The next value is 11. We perform the division operation. 11 divided by 11 how many times? Once time. Okay, the perform. According to mathematical, the 0 is part of the quotient. So the output is 0110. In the next example, it is the big kind of example. The value is written in the same order, 1 4 times 0, again 111. It is performed the division operation by the binary number 1001. The process is similar. The first 4 digit is here 1000, but here is 1001. Has it is possible to division? No. So we, according to the division rule, we provide the 0 in the quotient form. Again we carry on. Now the division process will be taken 10,000. Here the 1 and the 4 times 0. Now it is possible. 1001 is divided the 10,000 by 1's time. Again the subtraction process is follow. 0 from 0 we cannot subtract 1. So it take the borrow process. The borrow always given by the 1. If it's given the 1 borrow in the sequential manner, it first come to this 0, then this 0, then this and finally got 8. Now it is 0 and he got the borrow from the 1. That means 8 is 10. 8 is 10. 10 minus 1, the output is 1. So output is 1 here written. Here it not be 0 right now. Again it is 1. 1 minus 1. Sorry. 1. This digit 1 and 1 minus 0, it is written 1. Again this way is 1. This one is also 1 here. 1 minus 1, it is 0. And since this digit is given the borrow process, so it is right now 0. Again we carry on the division process. The value in the output process, we have got the 1 1 1. Next value is come again 1. Here in the next process 4 times 1 are involved. Then again once time we have performed the division operation. 1001. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Again the value is carry on. 8 further process is going on in the division, and you have no student. The division is continue till the number is going to the divisible. In the final form, the output is here 0. 4 times 1 is the quotient. Remainder finally got the 0. Okay. So student, the division process involves the simple mathematical division. We perform the division like a normal process, but here division carry on between the binary digit. After division we have performed the subtraction operation. Then we got the new value. Again we divide it and again we subtract it. This process will continue till the value is going to involve in the division process. So I think in this video lecture you have till understand how to perform the binary division operation. Thank you. Have a good day. I have given the some assignment regarding this topic onto the Google Classroom class 7. You have entered the code and access the content, solve the assignment and again upload onto the Google Classroom. Thank you.